Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, new and latest crochet pattern, patchwork, back panel patchwork styles, and front panel same color combination like sweater shirt style, and different ideas and different styles, guardian, woman, different ideas. So I hope you liked my video and my channel. Back panel, begin by crocheting a rectangle for the back panel using your puffed stitches pattern and double crochet. The size of the rectangle will depend on the distressed chest and different styles and different shapes, length and ideas like guardian crochet fruit guardian sweater and guardian different patchwork flower pattern, very popular and unique ideas, limit and eye-catching look like colorful combination, different colorful combination like rainbow color shadows. And guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas relate to crochet pattern. I hope you liked my video. So guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your response, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Keep sharing, watching my video. So I hope you like it. Take care, bye bye, see you soon. And once again, I'm back with new review and new video idea. Take care. Hey guys.